May 2024 Dollar Bead Box and Bag Unboxing. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, we are doing an unboxing for a different bead box subscription of a different company, and this one is Dollar Bead Box, and they also have a Dollar Bead Bag. The Dollar Bead Box, I want to think if you do a 6-month subscription, the price is like $18 a month, and then the Dollar Bead Bag is $8 a month, so it's a really good deal. You save a lot more money with these subscriptions than you do even going to like Hobby Lobby or some place like that. So anyway, this one is Dollar Bead Box. At the moment, I do not have a code, but hopefully by next month, June, then I will have a code for you to be able to, if you haven't subscribed through them yet, you will be able to save $2 off on your first box. But hopefully that will come in June. So anyway, this is May. I know I'm a little late for this one, but this is May 2024 unboxing. So here we go. That is the bag. We will look at that here directly. And one thing with the Dollar Bead Box that I think is good, if you are a member, so if you are getting their subscription monthly, then anytime that you go online and you shop with them, as long as you're a member, then pretty much everything that they have is just $1. So it's really worth it. So let's see if we can figure out what we've got here. Okay, we'll start off with their strands. Okay, while we're at it, we're going to go ahead and get this organized, and I've showed you these before if you've watched any of my bead box bargain videos, but I get these at Hobby Lobby, $3.49 for 3. So it's not bad at all. It's a little over $1 for one. So all right, so to start off with, we've got, these are 4mm check glass drux in topaz, 50 pieces. Ooh. Next we have 3x5mm of check glass gem cut rondelles in light topaz. Those are pretty. Next, we have 6mm check glass druck and light topaz. This is 25 piece. Those are nice. They're smooth. Then we have 5mm check glass bicone. That is not a bicone. Let's get the right one, April. Then we have 5mm check glass bicone, red, brown, and ochre. And this is 30 pieces. From a distance, they make me think of candy corn. Next, we have 4mm check glass Orion in jet black, and there's 30 pieces. And that is almost star-shaped. See? Like a little star. It's not quite diamond, sort of like a diamond, but it's more concaved in, so a little closer to star shaped. Then we have a 5x8 millimeter check glass donut, red with black and violet. Okay, I see a little bit of violet in there. It's the way the light catches it, you can see some violet in there. Those are pretty. Now let's see if we can figure out the rest of these. Okay, we have a 4x14 millimeter check glass coin bead in opaque red. That looks like a sweet tart to me. It's like candy. But there's 4 pieces of these. I don't know if that didn't work. Next, we have a check fire polish in jet, a 10 millimeter. Here they are. Then we have check glass tabular square. I guess because it's supposed to look like a tablet in a way. The tabular square, opaque red tavernite, 6 pieces. And it's kind of like a red and green mixed together. Those are pretty. Then we have 3x5 millimeter check glass daisy in cyan, and this is, well, the color cyan. And there's 30 pieces. And they look like little daisies. Next, we have 3x5 millimeter check glass daisy beads again, but these are white opal. Next, we have a 12x25 millimeter check glass tubular oval in jet. Ooh, those are pretty. Those would make a great earring or a bracelet, kind of like your focal point in your bracelet, or even connectors if you did like a Y necklace. Those are pretty. Then we have 7x10 millimeter check glass twisted oval in dark red. And there are 8 pieces of that. Then we have 7x10 millimeter check glass twisted oval again, but these are green opal. So we had the dark red and these are the green opal. But that's pretty. That's like a kind of a, not quite swirl, but sort of striped. Then we have a check glass heart leaf with the alabaster Picasso with red. And these are very interesting. Those are pretty though. But there's the red, the alabaster is kind of like that brownish. Then we have dyed bamboo coral chip in red. Those are certainly different. They're pretty. Then we have a tiara cast bird in a tree charm, 12 by 17 millimeter, in antiqued silver plate. That's pretty. You see the tree, or there's the bird. And finally, we have Noblesse handmade 6-layer chevron. It's 8 by 12, or it's anywhere. It's 8 to 12 by 12 to 24 millimeters. So I guess these varied in size. And there's one piece. We have very Christmassy colors with this one. Okay, that's all that come with the bead box. Now let's look at the bead bag. And again, this is $8 a month for the bead bag. Those are very, very pretty. I don't think I want to cut these open yet, but let's just look at them. Okay, we've got 3 millimeter strands. We have 3 of these. Sorry, we have 4 of these. Where's the other one? There we go. Okay, we have a crystal yellow green Maria. Crystal yellow green Maria. Those are very pretty. Then we have brick red or crystal ruby luster. I think I've got the crystal ruby luster. Okay, next we have jonquil. And then you'll have to forgive me. I think this is the Siam satin, but I'm not real sure because to me this looks copper, and there's also a 4 millimeter copper. So I'm not positive if I'm right on that one. I'm learning. All right, now we've got our 4 millimeter strands. We have, I believe this one is olive green, half copper, or half brass, half copper. So I think I've got the olive green and half copper. That's pretty. I wish the camera picked up how pretty these beads really are. Then we have matte emerald for 4 millimeter strand. Then we have an opaque red or a matte opaque red coral. I think, well, I believe I've just got the opaque red. I don't think that's the red coral, but there is a slight orangey to it. So anyway, I've got one of the other. And then finally, we have watermelon or matte watermelon, and I think I got the watermelon because that is shiny. I don't think that's the matte, so that's real pretty. It's kind of a pinky with the green in it. That was gorgeous. Alright, so that is it for this unboxing. I'll remove this and put this on something white, see if you can see them just a teeny bit better. But that's it for Dollar Bead Box or Dollar Bead Bag. So you can go to dollarbeadbox.com or dollarbeadbag.com. And like I said, at the moment I do not have a code for you to save $2 off, but hopefully come June, when I do the June unboxing, by then I will have a code. So stay tuned to the June one. And I know I'm a little late on the May one, but we'll get something here soon made using these beautiful beads. So I'm looking forward to that. Okay, if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below. And I will also put in my description box, I will put the links to the Dollar Bead Box. So that way, if you do like this, then you can go and get some for yourself. I think I failed to mention that the bead bag always correlates with the bead box for that particular month. That way, if you do, like I did, got both, then you've got beads that's going to match what you've got for the month. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I will be back soon, and we'll get some items made with these beautiful beads. So I hope you have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll talk to you the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.